Hi and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have, yes I'm smiling, huge Orange Blossom Accord. I love Orange Blossom. Holy Moses. Oh, jeez. I don't have anything written on here at all because I know it's a very narcotic, heavy, very, very rich, beautiful. There's a little bit of orange, but definitely the white petal flower heaviness that is kind of sitting on top of that orange aroma that's in here. It is just it's very complex, but it's almost simple to explain that it is rich, narcotic-y, heavy. It would take just a drop. It's just super rich in aroma. Absolutely beautiful to me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful to me. Sorry, my dogs again. Here, a little bit less like rich and clawing. A little bit less. Make sure you heard me correctly. Just to me, the floral, beautiful floral aroma comes out on the test strip. You can smell the orange in the background, but the petals, it just smells like fresh orange blossom petals. It feels like you're out there in the orange grove and they're blossoming right now. And actually, when I say that, I get a little bit of airiness, which is crazy to think because of how thick and just rich this is. I want to say I just said thick. This is a water consistency, like a bright yellow, but also you can see it has a little bit of an ambery color as well. I could smell this all day long. Love it. Beautiful. Absolutely amazing. You're like, how long on the test strip? I don't know. I'm going to say, and I'm guessing 24 hours. This is one of those, to me, a lasting aroma. To me, it lasts, I'm assuming, about a day. So what I have for you today is a formula. This is what I would do if I were you, and I've used this many times and I've made many formulas, so I'm just going to give you an example of what I would use it with. So Vertofix Coir. Vertofix is woody leather cedar. Yum. So that definitely would blend beautifully with this. The wood base, it's just called wood base from Firmenich. A little clean wood, like brand new wood, so a little bit sharp. And I wouldn't use tons of this, but because it could be a little too sharp if you put a little too much of this in there. But I definitely would use it because it's really nice. Just don't go overboard on the wood base. But it's a new, fresh wood smell. Timbersilk. Shut up. Love Timbersilk. Oh my god. It's from IFF. Timbersilk. It's one word. This is like super smooth. It reminds me of Isoi Super, but this is more woody, warm, but it'll smooth out a formula for sure. Much more woody than the Isoi Super. You can definitely open this and smell it for sure. I love it, and it goes with any of the woods. Sandalwood Amber Accord, Susan Lemon. just got a little sample of it. But it is beautiful. It's I smell a little bit more of the amber here than I do the sandalwood. Some people have a hard time smelling the sandalwood big fat molecules. This is really beautiful, and I think would go amazing with this. Another one is the Warm Amber Accord, Susan Lemon, again, creating perfume.com. Oh, this one I love. This is really, really warm. Simple, warm amber accord. Very, very simple, beautiful. Really nice. So we are creating, I have 3 more, but we are creating something beautiful right here. Oh my gosh. Then adding the Mayol. I've done a video on Mayol. So this is about the clean white petals. This is fresh and soft. And this just will give a little bit, to me, a little bit of lift and oomph to your Orange Blossom Accord. Because it's a white petal, and this just to me gives a little bit of smoothness and a little bit of lift to the Orange Blossom Accord. Next, Hexanol Salicylate Extra. It is kind of like the molecule in the carnation. It's floral green. Yeah, very floral and green, mostly. Tiny bit of leather in the background that goes well with the Vertofix. Love it. Ooh, good. And then Ylang Accord. This one is nutso. Oh my god, it's so good. Wow. It's very, the Ylang is a tropical flower. This is very complex and will give a big complexity to this and a little bit of, I don't know if spiciness is the right word, because a lot of times when I think of spiciness, I think of like nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, that kind of stuff, and it's not that kind of spiciness. This is just a very complex tropical flower. And adding it to this, ooh, let me tell you what a beautiful, beautiful formula you could make with this. So there you go. I'm telling you, beautiful formula. And you can make, again, this is one of those times where you're like, what do I put most of? Well, it depends on what you want. So I kind of went over each one of these and gave you a little bit of synopsis of what they smell like. If you want your formula to mostly smell like your Orange Blossom, add a little bit more Orange Blossom. So, or if you want something else to stand out, if you want a lot more of the leather to come out, use a little bit more Vertofix. But the best way to do it, again, use a little vial like this, or an even smaller vial, making a small formula. Let it sit for a little while, test it out, and see for you which of these aromas do you want to accent a little bit more, which do you want to come forth a little bit more, and add that to your formula. Write it down in your formulation books, and that is how you make a formula. Just test it and see, and you just add a little bit more if you feel like you want a little bit more of something specific, or no, I want to add a little bit more of both of these to the formulation. That's how you learn. That's how you learn your materials, and that is how you learn making formulations. So you learn 2 things at one time, and you learn how do these go together, what happens when you put these together. That is what you learn as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.